Castia Theta 9 serves the Mechanicum Adepts of Mars. Stranded within the hive city of Naiades, Castia Theta 9 would conceal her location as the world of Naiades fell to the thrall of the gene-stealer cults of the Tyranid Xenos. Calculating a means to escape the planet, Castia would wait patiently for the arrival of an Astartes chapter to encounter the world. With the Blood Angels of the Sword of Baal's investigation of the planet's downfall, Castia Theta 9 would transmit a signal to Blood Angel Captain Orfeo to meet within the Hive's tunnels. Beseeching the Blood Angels to cleanse the Tyranids from the planet and escort her and her charge from the tainted world, Castia would save Orfeo's life during the subsequent ambush. Observing the Blood Angel squadrons dispatched to find their captain, Castia would prolong Orfeo's life with crude cybernetics and implants. Custodian to a standard template construct, Castia Theta 9 would calculate no sacrifice too great to preserve the relic and empower Orfeo to fight another day in service to the Emperor. Escaping the planet with the death of the Tyranid Patriarch, Castia Theta 9 would join the crew of the Sword of Baal on their return to their homeworld. Assisting Tech Marine Hadriel with interring Captain Orfeo's gravely wounded body into the housing of a dreadnought, Castia's will would be ironclad. Her preservation of knowledge and conviction to serve the Omnissiah compliant.